In this video, I will show you that how to quickly zoom in and out in MS Microsoft Excel. So you can see I have opened one of my sheets like here in Excel. So the best option, quickly if you want to do, you can press and hold Control. See, right now it's 100%. See, this is the zoom level. You can click to open the zoom dialog box. See, the zoom dialog box will appear. But the quickly option that I was telling you, it is like you can press and hold Control and scroll, mouse, use the mouse scroll. Okay, so you can see like this. So you can use mouse scroll. See, if I press and hold Control and if I move the mouse scroll, see bottom side, so you can see this is decreasing. This is zoom out, and if I move the mouse scroll on the top side, up side, so it is increasing, like zoom in. So this is the quickly method you can use. Second method, manually you can also do from here. And the third method, you can go to view, like we are in the home tab, you can go to the view, and from here you can click on zoom and custom, or you can select one of them like 50%, so this is 50%. And if I click zoom and custom like 125 and OK, so now this is 125. And then Control, mouse scroll, like now it's on 100%. So this is the easy method you can use to quickly zoom in and out in MS Excel. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.